Hello everyone, welcome back. So getting right into today's video, I am going to be testing out several different press-on nails. So this one is the MelodySusie, and as you can see, all the instructions come on the back. You want to make sure that your nails are clean and ready for application. So you definitely want to make sure that, your nails are clipped, that you dehydrate them, that you buff them. So right here, they did provide you with a little file, an orange wood stick, and your alcohol to make sure that your nails are dehydrated and clean before application. So for this application, I am going to use the jelly glue tabs, and they are pretty good. I will say this. If you just want a temporary, fix, if you just need them for like a night out, date night, whatever, these are not permanent by any means. So it's just it's a gooey, sticky tab that you press on your nail. You pull the back off, then you press on your press-on nails, and there you go. So this is so great if you're in a hurry. You just need to have a awesome looking manicure temporarily. Now, in using this particular application, you want to make sure that you do not touch water within 2 hours after you apply these nails. So basically, make sure that you put them on after you get your shower, after you get ready. And this is also the easiest method to remove. So you would soak your nails in warm water for about 5 minutes, use your little cuticle stick that comes with the kit, and then you just pry them off, gently, of course. The other two application methods are using nail glue or using clear acrylic. After I tried this method and took them off, I then glued them with my nail glue, and they did last about a day. Then they started to pop off. So again, you want to be careful. And if your hands are in water a lot with the jelly tabs, with nail glue, they're going to come off eventually. So they definitely, in my opinion, will not last 2 weeks. The other method is to apply with clear acrylic, and a lot of people are really jumping on that bandwagon. My only thing with that is if you pay a lot for the press-ons and then you're going to apply them with acrylic, I'm still figuring out a way to save them where I can reuse them again. But so far, no bueno. This one from MelodySusie is called Dazzling Shell, and it's absolutely stunning. It's my favorite. The only issue I had with this particular set was that the finish just wore off. As you can see on my thumb, there was scratches. It literally wore off. So I'm wondering if maybe a top coat would be a good idea. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on the MelodySusie press-ons. Please stay tuned for my thoughts on the other brands featured in the beginning of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.